Hey everyone, it's Susan Whitcomb with theacademies.com on behalf of my colleague Beverly Harvey, and we're here with another job search strategist tip. And in the job search, one of the main things that can really help our clients kind of get organized is to use a project management approach to the job search. And of course, in the project management world, the phases of project management involve initiating, planning, executing, monitoring, and then adapting based on changes in the environment, and then closing the project. And in this case, for a job seeker, that would be landing the right job. So in terms of the elements that you might organize with a job seeker, some of those elements in the job search would be starting off with clarifying the target, getting your strategy development together, targeting the right companies, researching opportunities, pulling together all the career communications that need to be done, the marketing materials, looking at your existing network and really starting with that to kind of bounce the networking aspect, and then expanding that network, looking at social networking, looking at face-to-face networking, and of course those are just a couple of places to start. There are a number of other steps beyond that, and here's what it might look like in terms of actually putting that together on paper. And you can see that with this particular chart, we have action items at the top, and then the first column talks about all of those things that the job seeker needs to do, and categorizing it by groups and classifications, and then parsing that out into specific steps. And then, of course, looking across the top at the duration, how long each item is going to take, who needs to be involved in it, or what resources need to be involved, when it's going to be done within the job search cycle, whether in week 1 or 2 or 3, etc. And of course, those are just a few to start with. You'd also have categories like creating your marketing materials, researching the opportunities, looking at the networking piece, the resume postings, all of the items that are going to be specific and relatable to the client. And of course, the important thing is to customize this whole process, because some job seekers will be thrilled with the structure, others will really appreciate the detail, and there may be some who really feel kind of overwhelmed by that whole process. And so you want to decide whether or not you want to go into specific details or just use sort of a categorical layout for those. And it may even be that not using a spreadsheet is the way to go for some people that are more artistic or more kind of right-brained oriented. So those are a couple of tips that can help your job seekers go from feeling sort of overwhelmed and not knowing where to start to very happy campers and having success in the process. You can learn more about becoming a certified job search strategist at our preview call. Find out information at www.theacademies.com/CJSS-preview for the certified job search strategist. See you again.